Hi my beautiful mysteries, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a get ready with me and I will be talking about Descendants. Now I actually recorded this video a while ago. I was getting ready for my cousin's wedding and I'm just going to leave the directions for how to do everything in the description below along with all the products. And I've been gone for a while because my final online class for the summer was ending and I just wanted to focus on that. And it's over now, so I'm going to be just getting into the video. So Descendants 3 is the final movie in the franchise and I am so upset about that, but I am so happy with the way things ended. And I want to talk about Audrey. Now I'm going to be doing an Audrey makeup tutorial from her evil look, and I'm going to get into all the products and that later, but first of all, I just want to say that I never realized how hurt she was. I mean, at the end of Descendants 1, she bowed to Mal, she was smiling, she was dancing, she seemed happy, she went after Jay, and, I mean, she didn't go after him, she danced with him. You know what I mean, you saw it. Anyway, she wasn't in Descendants 2, I thought she was okay, she was at a spa vacation. Then I see the commercial for Descendants 3, I see Ben proposing to Mal, which, by the way, I wish they had kept until the premiere, because not that I didn't enjoy seeing it in the trailer, but just my reaction for it when it came out would have been like crazy. And back to Audrey anyway. So Audrey screams no over it. I never realized she never actually got over Ben. And her song Queen of Mean is amazing. I think just about everybody loves this song and can relate to it so much, and I don't even have words to describe how much I love this song. And all I can say is that the plot was amazing. Audrey's whole character was, again, I don't have words, and I'm just happy with the way things turned out in the end. The barrier came down, everyone came over, everyone became friendly, and I guess Audrey's got something with Harry Hook now. I am a huge shipper of Mal and Ben, and Evie and Doug, and Jane and Carlos. Rest in peace, Cameron Boyce. And I did like seeing Harry Hook and Uma together, but it's clear that Descendants was not gonna make that happen. When he tried to kiss her and then she pushed him away and walked away, it was clear that that ship was not sailing. No pun intended. Actually, yeah, I don't know why I just said that. That was a definite pun intended. But I did see her and Harry kind of like this little meet cute thing, and you know what? I stand for that. Sorry to all the Uma and Harry shippers, but it looks like it's gonna be Harry and Audrey. Or at least it would look that way if there was ever another movie coming out, but unfortunately this is the last one. And that really breaks my heart because Ben and Mal got engaged, and I think we were all hoping to see a royal wedding. And I think we were all hoping to see Hades as Mal's father. We saw in that trailer, she was walking through a forest, a blue ball of light or fire came and called her, and she called it Dad, and we all immediately thought Hades. Hades is Mal's father. And we were right, Descendants 3 confirmed it, she called him Dad. And we got all these new parents. We got Dr. Facilier, we got the evil stepmother, we got Mr. Smee, and we got Hades. We got all these new parents, and I'm kind of wondering what happened to the old ones. What happened to Jafar and Cruella de Vil and the evil queen? Well, obviously we know what happened to her. She got turned into a lizard. So I'm just kind of wondering what happened to the original VK parents. And I know that the movie franchise is over, it's done, but I'm kind of hoping that the book will continue. There'll be another book, or they'll bring back Wicked World somehow. And I think we can all agree that we are not ready for Descendants to end. Like, we love it so much, and we just want to see it keep going in any way we can. Anyway, I want to get back to my Audrey makeup tutorial. I've been waiting and waiting to find other videos on her makeup, but honestly, I'm shocked that I've only seen one. I mean, her song was so popular and people just loved her in the movie. I thought there would be like a few days after the premiere, about 20. but I guess I'm going to be one of the first ones, which honestly, I know it doesn't sound like it, but I am very excited about that. But no matter what you use or how you do it, the makeup you copy off of someone is never gonna look exactly like that person's. The truth is, you've just gotta go and do your best. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do my best to make it look like Audrey's makeup in the movie. I have been watching the movie over and over again, trying to figure out the makeup, also because I love it. And I think I've got a really good look for you guys. Speaking of makeup looks, this one is done. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I will be leaving the products I used and the instructions on how I did everything in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please click the subscribe button, the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and please share the video. And please, please stay a beautiful mystery. Bye!